Hello, dear ones. Today I want to share with you the incredible power of affirmations in your journey towards self-healing. Our words are incredibly powerful. They shape our reality and influence how we feel about ourselves and the world around us. By using positive affirmations, we can transform our thoughts and in turn, our lives. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that we repeat to ourselves, often in the present tense. They are a way of rewiring our minds, allowing us to cultivate a more loving and compassionate relationship with ourselves. When we affirm positive beliefs, we open ourselves up to the possibility of healing emotionally, mentally, and physically. Let's take a moment to explore the foundation of self-healing through affirmations. The first step is understanding that our thoughts create our reality. If we think negatively, we may find ourselves trapped in a cycle of pain and distress. However, when we replace those negative thoughts with uplifting affirmations, we shift our mindset, allowing space for love and healing. You might be wondering how to create effective affirmations. Start by focusing on what you truly desire. Instead of saying, "I am not sick," try affirming, "I am vibrant and healthy." This subtle shift helps your mind focus on what you want to attract into your life rather than what you wish to avoid. Feel the truth of these statements as you say them. Let them resonate deeply within you. Consistency is key. Make it a daily practice to repeat your affirmations. You can say them in front of a mirror, write them down, or even record yourself saying them and listen to them throughout the day. And the more you engage with these positive statements, the more they will sink into your subconscious mind, helping to manifest the changes you seek. Now let's get into some specific affirmations that can help with various aspects of healing. For emotional healing, consider affirmations like, "I forgive myself and others," "I am free." This affirmation encourages you to release past hurts and think of forgiveness, which is essential for emotional well-being. For mental clarity, you might say, "My mind is clear, focused, and full of positive thoughts." This affirmation invites a sense of peace and focus into your mind, allowing you to approach challenges with a clear perspective. It's amazing how our mental state can affect our overall well-being. When we nurture a positive mindset, we pave the way for healing in other areas of our lives. When it comes to physical health, affirmations such as "I honor my body as the temple that it is" can be incredibly powerful. This statement encourages self-love and respect for your body, fostering a healthier relationship with yourself. When we treat our bodies with love and kindness, we are more likely to make choices that support our well-being. Affirmations are not just about words, they are about feelings. As you speak or think your affirmations, allow yourself to truly feel the emotions they evoke. Picture yourself living the truth of these statements. Visualize the joy, health, and peace that come with them. This connection between thought and feeling amplifies the power of your affirmations. Note, healing is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you practice these affirmations. Sometimes old patterns of thought may resurface. When they do, acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your focus back to your affirmations. Each time you do this, you are reinforcing your commitment to healing and growth. Incorporating mindfulness into your affirmation practice can deepen its impact. Take a moment each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and focus on your affirmations. Feel the energy of each word flowing through you. This mindful approach allows you to connect more profoundly with the healing intentions behind your statements. It's also helpful to create a sacred space for your affirmations. Find a spot in your home where you feel safe and peaceful. Decorate it with items that inspire you, perhaps candles, crystals, or images that resonate with your healing journey. When you repeat your affirmations in this space, it becomes a powerful environment for transformation. You may want to explore the concept of mirror work as well. This practice involves standing in front of a mirror, looking into your own eyes, and affirming your worthiness. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is an incredibly transformative experience. You are essentially telling yourself that you are deserving of love, healing, and all the good things life has to offer. As you continue to engage in this practice, you might notice shifts not only in your thoughts, but in your actions as well. Positive affirmations can inspire you to take better care of yourself, make healthier choices, and pursue your passions. You become more aligned with your true self, leading to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Affirmations can also be a powerful tool in overcoming fear and anxiety. When feelings of fear arise, you can use affirmations such as, "I am safe and supported," or "I trust the process of life." These statements help anchor you in the present moment, alleviating the grip of anxiety. Additionally, consider incorporating gratitude into your affirmation practice. Gratitude shifts our focus from lack to abundance. The simple affirmation like, "I am grateful for my life and all its blessings," can help foster a sense of contentment and joy. When we express gratitude, we open our hearts to receive even more goodness. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can further enhance your healing journey. Seek out uplifting books, podcasts, or communities that resonate with your journey. Sharing your experiences with like-minded individuals can provide additional support and inspiration. When you encounter challenges along the way, remind yourself that setbacks are a part of the journey. Rather than viewing them as failures, see them as opportunities for growth. Use affirmations to navigate these challenges, saying things like, "I am resilient and I rise above difficulties." This mindset fosters strength and perseverance, and in times of uncertainty, affirmations can provide comfort and reassurance. When doubts creep in, repeat affirmations such as, "I trust in my ability to overcome any obstacle." This statement reinforces your inner strength and encourages you to keep moving forward. Trust in yourself and your capacity for healing. Visualizing your desired outcomes can enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. Picture yourself in a state of perfect health, joy, and fulfillment. This vivid imagery complements the affirmations, making them more impactful. Visualization engages your senses and emotions, allowing you to feel the reality of your affirmations. It's like painting a picture of your ideal life in your mind, which can help manifest that reality. Another important aspect is the practice of self-compassion. Acknowledge that healing is a process, and it's perfectly okay to have off days. When negative thoughts arise, gently counter them with affirmations. Instead of berating yourself for feeling down, say, "It's okay to feel this way. I am learning and growing." This nurturing attitude fosters resilience and self-acceptance, essential components of the healing process. Surrounding yourself with positivity can also support your journey. Engage in activities that inspire you, whether it's reading uplifting literature, listening to motivational talks, or spending time in nature. These experiences feed your spirit and reinforce the affirmations you practice. Nature in particular has a unique ability to heal and refresh our minds. And taking a walk outside, breathing in fresh air, and observing the beauty around you can shift your energy and perspective. Incorporating movement into your daily routine is another way to enhance your self-healing practice. Whether through yoga, dance, or simply stretching, movement helps release stagnant energy and invites a sense of vitality. Pair your movements with affirmations such as, "With each movement, I release tension and invite peace." This connection between body and mind can amplify your healing journey. Consider journaling as a complementary practice. Writing down your affirmations, feelings, and experiences can help clarify your thoughts and track your progress. When you see how far you've come, it reinforces your commitment to healing. You might also write letters to yourself, expressing love and gratitude for who you are. This act can serve as a powerful reminder of your worthiness and potential. As you navigate through life, note to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Acknowledging your progress helps build confidence and reinforces the positive changes you're making. Each affirmation and intentional action is a step toward a healthier and happier you. Celebrate those moments with affirmations like, I honor my progress and celebrate my journey. As we wrap up this discussion on self-healing through affirmations, it's essential to reflect on the profound impact your thoughts can have on your well-being. The journey toward healing is unique for everyone, and affirmations serve as a tool to guide you along this path. By consistently practicing positive affirmations and pairing them with mindful actions, you create a harmonious environment for growth and healing. In your daily life, make a conscious effort to incorporate these practices into your routine. Share your experiences with others, as your story can inspire those around you to begin their own journey of self-discovery and healing. Together, we can create a ripple effect of love and positivity that spreads far and wide. If you found this content helpful and inspiring, I encourage you to show your support, like this video, to help spread the message of self-healing and empowerment. Your engagement helps us reach more hearts and minds, encouraging others to explore their own potential for healing through affirmations. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more uplifting content. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss future insights and techniques that can further support your journey towards self-love and healing. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these teachings. Your act of sharing can spark someone else's journey towards self-healing. Imagine how many lives you could touch by introducing them to the power of affirmations. Lastly, keep returning to this space for ongoing support and inspiration. Your commitment to personal growth is commendable, and together we can continue exploring the wonderful possibilities that affirmations bring. Thank you for being part of this conversation. Your willingness to seek knowledge and growth is truly admirable. Let's continue to uplift one another and spread the message of love, healing, and affirmation to all.